Hi everybody, Mr. McIsaac here. I teach phys ed at Canal Street Elementary in Fredericton. Now today we are combining two great games. We're combining soccer and bowling. Now in this game, soccer bowling, all the same rules apply as regular bowling. The only difference is you are kicking a soccer ball at the pins instead of rolling a ball at the pins. So let's take a look.
Now, here are my bowling pins. My wife and I haven't been able to take our bottles back for the last few months, so I was able to find 6 bottles. And I put a little bit of water in them so the wind won't blow them over. The front pin is worth 3 points. The middle 2 are each worth 2 points, and the back 3 are each worth 1 point, equaling a total of 10 if you can knock them all over. You get 3 kicks per frame. Now a frame is your turn, and each player gets 10 frames per game. If you get a spare, which means knocking all the pins down in 2 kicks, you add an extra kick to your next frame. If you get a strike, knocking all the pins down in 1 shot, you get 2 shots added to your next frame.
So here's where we ended up. The back middle pin, which was worth 1, I was not able to knock over, but I was able to knock the rest over. So I would get 9 points this frame. If you want to challenge yourself, place something in the middle of your lane, like I have the bricks here, that you have to kick over before the ball hits the pins. So you have to go over something like this. I hope you all can give this game a try and get outside and enjoy the beautiful weather that's in our forecast. Stay safe, everybody.